Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to change default theme in device easy on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, click on scroll down and click on settings system and click on reset phone and click on factory reset. Click on erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, the last solution is restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more latest videos. Thanks for watching.